Hello.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Welcome to GRT Polytechnic College, sir, IC department.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, principal, sir. Shall we start, sir?
Yeah, please start.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So good afternoon to one and all present over here. We welcome you all for the validity of AICTE IST sponsored 6 days refresher induction program on Internet of Things using Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Let us start the valedictory program with the prayer song. Now I request Dr. K. Indra Devi ma'am, HOD, Instrumentation Control Engineering Department, to welcome the gathering.
Thank you, one and all present here. I welcome you all to the AICTE IST sponsored 6 days phase 1 on Internet of Things using Arduino and Raspberry Pi from 9th February to 15th February. It's my pleasure to welcome our respected management, beloved principal, Dr. A. Shankar Subramaniam sir, heads of various departments, faculty of GRT Polytechnic College, faculty from various reputed institutions and industry experts from renowned industries to the valedictory function of AICTE IST sponsored 1-week refresher induction program. It's my honor to welcome our chief guest, Dr. G. Shivagurnathan sir, Principal, Government Polytechnic College, OT, to the valedictory function of refresher program. I welcome you, sir. Next, it's my privilege to welcome our principal, Shankar Subramaniam sir, for this occasion. Now I welcome all our academicians and industry experts from various organizations and industries to the function. Not but not the least, I welcome all our GRT family members to the valedictory session of refresher program. Thank you all.
Now I request our principal sir and chairman, IST Tamil Nadu section, Dr. A. Shankar Subramanian sir, to give the presidential address.
Dr. G. Shivagurnathan, Principal, Government Polytechnic, OT, Dr. Indra Devi, HOD, ICE, members from various polytechnic colleges and engineering colleges, to one and all present here. First of all, I express my sincere thanks to AICTE, sanctioning thousands of faculty development programs through video conferencing during this pandemic period, which is a real boost in engineering colleges and polytechnics. I express my thanks to Dr. Shivagurnathan sir for accepting our invitation during your busy schedule. Thank you, sir. I hope the participants really benefited the various inputs given by the faculty experts in the field of IoT and the industrial experts in this field. And I request you all to utilize the knowledge gained here in crafting your with this few speech. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is our privilege to introduce our guest of the day, Dr. G. Sivaguruanandan, sir, Principal, Government Polytechnic College, Ooty. He has done his doctorate in Anna University. Sir has received a Best Project Award in the state level by Directorate of Technical Education. Sir is the reviewer of international journals. Sir has more than 30 years of experience from GPT Ooty. And Sir has experience in GPT Coimbatore and Government Polytechnic College Perundurai and Government Polytechnic College Kadathu. Recently, Sir has been deployed in development of software in TNEA and online examination. Sir acted as a doctoral committee member in Anna University, and he's also the member of syllabus committee for computer engineering and information technology. And Sir is the member and nominee of director for various government-aided polytechnic colleges. Sir is the lifetime member of IST. So I request Sir to give the guest address.
Thank you for the introduction. Good afternoon to one and all. I thank Dr. S. Sankathumunin sir, my close friend, who has given permission and invited me to participate in function. When he asked me, I was very happy because our friendship has gone to nearly 30 years. So I'm very happy to be here for this variety function. And regarding the topic of the day, which is IoT, there has been used heavily in the IT industry for the past couple of years. It stands for Internet of Things. Actually refers to the things that are connected to the internet, and we have been doing it for a couple of years. And more applications are being done through IoT, and it's important for engineers to get acquainted with this technology, and it is going to be future on. And this involves processing of data, big data, connected to useful information and support for better decision making and for data analysis also. And it is important to design an IoT system for a particular application. So you have been trained in Arduino and Raspberry Pi, I think. So you connect different sensors and you get applications and you collect data. And the advantage of this is low cost, size is small, and it supports various operating systems. So we have been, I think, trained in all these types of environments regarding how to power them, how to use the GPIO, the general purpose IO.
The last date
And the use of the Python programming language regarding this. So the wide use of sensors, wireless connectivity, and smartphones has brought IoT to the mainstream in the field of education and other fields. Students belonging to engineering fields and various fields are expected to come up with and implement innovative and latest IoT projects. So I congratulate you for attending this online course even during this pandemic period and during the heavy work schedule of examination, evaluation, and conduction of online and offline classes. IoT is a technology which has high potential, and I request you to gain more knowledge in this area and impart it to the students. Try to select one or more projects, student projects basically, based on this. So students as well as you gain practical knowledge what you have studied so far. I think in the new syllabus, this topic may also be introduced to enable our
Thank you, sir. Now I request any one of the participants to unmute yourself and share your feedback, which you have undergone throughout this 1 week training program.
I request dear professors to give you a valuable feedback.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, sir. Please.
I'm very happy to meet you in this valedictory session. Very happy, sir. The content of this AICT program, because so far dealing power electronics or communication systems. This topic is very new and it's more application in every field. One has to go along with the time, means we have to attend these kind of webinars and we have to equip ourselves. Anyhow, thank you, Principal Sir, for being with us for the valedictory function. Thank you so much, and best wishes for each one of the participants. I'm Electronics, Shakti Polytechnic College. The opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable feedback. Professor Sadaf, you can unmute yourself and speak. Thank you, professors. Now we will go with the overall feedback link. That link will be shared in the chat box and the same will be posted in the WhatsApp group also. Kindly fill the overall feedback form. Once again, I'll repeat the constraints to get your certificate. Your overall attendance should be 80% and the performance in the assessment should be 60%. Along with the overall feedback link, overall feedback filled form. Kindly cooperate with us and fill the form before 6 o'clock today and complete your test also before 6 o'clock so that we can be able to arrange the certificates at the earliest. And we can assure that by this weekend, you will get all your certificates. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support, which we have people extended for this entire 1 week. And I should say thanks to the AICT, IST also, and our management, our principal. Thank you all. One and all from the IC department are thankful to you all.
Now I request Mrs. J. Prema ma'am to extend vote of thanks.
To one and all present here through online. It is my pleasure to propose vote of thanks to those who have directly or indirectly contributed for the success of this STTP. On behalf of our management, principal and staff members, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Dr. G. Sivagurunathan, Principal, Government Polytechnic College, Ooty, for his enlightening special address for this valedictory program of AICTE ISTE sponsored short-term training program on Internet of Things using Arduino and Raspberry Pi phase 1 through online mode. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my sincere thanks to AICTE and ISTE for sanctioning and sponsoring this program. It is my duty to express my heartfelt thanks to all the following resource persons for their special lectures during this 1 week program. Dr. P. Saktiven, Dean, University College of Engineering, Kanjipuram, Anna University, Chennai. Dr. B. Narmata, Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Dhiranjala Salem. Mr. S. Viganesh, Project Engineer, Tirunelveli Smart City Limited, Tirunelveli. Mr. A. Arul Prabhakar, Assistant Manager, National Small Industries Corporation, Perungudi, Chennai. Dr. Jubilan Kidaki Totam, Professor and Lead, Scientist Blockchain, Scientist College of Engineering, Kottayam, Kerala. Dr. S. Kayalvidi, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vellalar College of Engineering and Technology, Erode. Dr. A. Aravindan, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, School of Electrical Sciences, Koneru Lakshmaya Educational Foundation, deemed to be KL University, Guntur. Dr. C. Pradeep, Visiting Researcher, Smart City Research Center, IIIT Hyderabad, Telangana. Mr. K.V. Ramakrishnan, Managing Director, Rootview Technologies, Coimbatore. Ms. S. Jayachitra, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Karpaham Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore. Dr. S. Periyanayaki, Professor and Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Ramco Institute of Technology, Rajapalayam. Dr. M. Sangeeta, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Information Technology, Coimbatore Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Mr. S. Maywe, Assistant Professor, Research and Development, M. Kumarasamy College of Engineering, Karur. Mr. K. N. Senthil Kumar, Senior Software Engineer, Value India Private Limited, Chennai. Dr. T. Senthil Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Coimbatore. And Dr. G. Muruganathan, Deputy Registrar, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kalyani, an Institute of National Importance, mentored by IIT Kharagpur, Kalyani. Thank you all, sir. It is my duty to express my heartfelt thanks to our management for their motivation and support. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our beloved principal for his encouragement, guidance, and support rendered, and for his encouraging presidential address. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to the organizing committee head, Dr. K. Indra Devi, HOD ICA, DRD Polytechnic College, and her team members for their unflinching support, tireless work, and coordination. Our heartfelt thanks to all the participants for your active participation. Once again, I would like to express our sincere thanks to one and all present here. Thank you.
I request all the professors to switch on their videos to take some snaps. Dear professors, please switch on your videos. Few minutes, please cooperate with us. Kindly switch on your videos. Professors, once again, I request all of you, please switch on your videos. We are taking some snaps. Thank you all. Thank you so much for your cooperation and support extended to this successful completion of phase 1 IST AICT workshop on IoT based workshop using Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Thank you very much. But the feedback, overall feedback link has been posted in the chat box. And the same will be in the WhatsApp group also. Kindly fill the form. And the form will be open till 6 o'clock. Take your own time and please fill and send it back to us. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Yes.